there is a legacy application which is running on premises, no any functional issues, that application is running properly, but there are some problems related to performance. It is not able to handle traffic and costly infrastructure maintenance and some other issues. But these are the key issues client has identified. So as a solution architect, how will you suggest the best solution to overcome these problems? I'll guide you with a simple example so that you can approach to give a proper solution as a solution architect. We can suggest a lift and shift solution. Mean we'll move the on-premises application into the cloud without changing any code. Yeah, definitely there will be some configuration changes. So this cloud-based solution will be cost-effective, less time to migrate, a scalable solution. So in future, suppose client want to scale up and scale down, easily he can do. Disaster recovery, infrastructure as a solution. So whenever we require, we can take the services and based on that, we can pay. I'm not telling about any specific cloud solution, but it is a simple approach to give the proper approach to solve this problem. It is up to the client and you to decide which cloud service you want to take, whether it is a Microsoft Azure, AWS or Google, whatever. But I will tell you the simple approach. This is a on-premises application, services and databases. These are some infrastructure and all the servers are sitting in the on-premises and users are using this application. Okay, once we are going to do the lift and shift, mean moving this complete solution from on-premises to cloud, our approach should be like this. Here I have considered 2 regions and each region will have some subnets. Some VM will deploy all the services and application over here. There will be a load balancer in between and there will be a database. Okay, so this database is sitting over here. This is a site recovery in the second region, DB replication in the second region, and this is a traffic manager to handle the traffic. So this is a complete solution which will overcome all the problems of the client. So our approach should be like this. This is just an example and based on the customer requirement, you can select the cloud services. As I told, any service, it could be a Microsoft Azure, AWS or Google. But our solution should be like scalable, have a disaster recovery plan, traffic management, proper security you need to consider, as well as the database replication. So in case of some customer, some client is coming and using the another clone of the system and database is saving into the another region. So there should be a syncing plan. So some data is sitting here, some data is sitting in another region. So it should have a proper syncing of that database.